One of the best ways to earn income quickly online is by starting an e-commerce business. Etsy has become the premier e-commerce business platform because you can sell unique items, which tend to sell much faster than mass-produced goods on other platforms. If you're thinking about starting an Etsy shop, stay tuned for some of the top Etsy shop ideas for 2022 and beyond. Handmade personalized jewelry. Custom handmade jewelry has long been one of the most popular things to sell on Etsy. Granted, that means there is some fierce competition in this category, but if you can put out a quality product, then you should be able to turn a decent profit. A lot of people turn to Etsy when they're looking for unique rings, bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. People are especially interested in distinct products that resonate with their interests. Think birthstones, fandoms, and sports teams. Just find a niche and run with it. Stickers. The customization options for this category of products are endless. Again, identifying a niche is key to selling lots of stickers. You can either sell custom printed stickers incorporating customer-provided elements, or just stick to specific categories. For example, you could keep up on current trends, like what Netflix shows are currently trending or what famous figure said something crazy in the media. Whatever it is, make a sticker about it. Creating stickers is as simple as having some graphic design skills and access to a sticker printer. Stickers are cheap to produce and cheap to ship, meaning the margins are fantastic. Journals and notebooks. Once again, we have a product that can be customized in an infinite number of ways. Some customers are going to be looking for handmade leather journals with a unique design. Consider investing in bulk leather, sinew, and high-quality paper. Better yet, you could buy pre-made journals or notebooks and then simply customize them. Just add some leather stamping or embossing, and you can mark up the price significantly. Vinyl wall decals. Wall decals have become one of the most popular trends in interior design in recent years. These decals can sell for anywhere between $5 and $100 a set, depending on their size and level of complexity. This may be a bit more complicated than stickers, but the profits will be way higher, requiring way fewer sales for a decent income. Wedding items. If you've ever been on the knot.com, then you know that weddings are a big business these days. One of the hottest wedding trends at the moment is personalizing every last item involved in the bridal shower, the bachelorette party, and the ceremony itself. Invitations, decorations, and gifts are just a few things that can be customized to make a couple's big day that much more special. Vintage items. Vintage clothing, posters, jewelry, and home decor have long been some of Etsy's best-selling categories. And the great thing about these categories is you don't have to make anything. You just have to find it and list it online. Items that have been designed to look vintage also sell pretty well if you prefer to get more hands-on. But keep in mind, to qualify as the vintage category, something has to be at least 20 years old to be sold on Etsy. If it's only something that is made to appear vintage, it should be either handmade or personalized, and will have to sell in a different category. Personalized toys. Parents love getting their children one-of-a-kind toys that make them feel special. Customized puzzles featuring a child's name, dolls with their initials embroidered onto the stitching, and customized stuffed animals are just a few toy personalization ideas worth exploring. Candles. It's safe to say that there will always be a market for candles. Making homemade candles is as simple as investing in some wax, glass jars, essential oils, and wicks. Candles require very little overhead and can earn you a substantial profit because of that. Right now, they are also one of the top items sold on Etsy, so there's no better time to get started as an aspiring candle maker. That wraps up our list, but if you want more inspiration, consider looking into art prints, pet accessories, plants, mugs, and seasonal items. And if you don't want to make anything yourself, check out our video on reselling free items from Craigslist to kickstart your business from zero. We'll see you in the next video.